Hello, this is Dr. Afzalur Rahman. I'm the founder and CEO of Global Conference Alliance. We are going to Ghana. We'll be there from June 9 to June 15. And we will be working with our country representative in Ghana, Leedons Travels Limited. And the founder and the CEO of Leedons Travels Limited is Mr. Abraham. So together, our team, Canadian delegation, and our country representative, Mr. Abraham and his team members, we will be hosting a number of events throughout Accra and also one in Kumasi, and that will include info session, panel discussion, networking events. There will be one-to-one meetings with local businesses as well. And all this information will be posted on our website, Global Conference Alliance, and also Leedons Travels Limited. So please register for these events. Registration is free, but based on first come, first serve, and seats are limited. Thank you. See you in the